What is cloud computing? Cloud computing is the delivery of different services through the internet. These resources include tools and applications like data storage, servers, databases, networking, and software. Rather than keeping files on a hard drive or local storage, cloud-based storage makes it possible to save them to a remote database. As long as an electronic device has access to the web, it has access to the data and the software programs to run it. Cloud computing is a popular option for individuals and businesses, for a number of reasons including cost savings, increased productivity, speed and efficiency, performance and security. Cloud computing, as the name itself hints us, that the information being accessed is found remotely in the cloud or a virtual space. Companies that provide cloud services enable users to store files and applications on remote servers and then access all the data via the internet. This means the user is not required to be in a specific place to gain access to it, allowing the user to access the data from anywhere in the world, via the internet. Cloud computing takes all the heavy lifting involved in processing data away from the device you carry around or sit and work at. It also moves all of that work to huge computer clusters far away in cloud space. Cloud computing can be both public and private. Public cloud services provide their services over the internet with a subscription fee. Private cloud services, on the other hand, only provide services to a certain number of people. Cloud computing is not a single piece of technology like a microchip or a cell phone. Rather, it's a system primarily comprised of three services: software as a service, infrastructure as a service, and platform as a service. Regardless of the kind of service, cloud computing services provide users with a series of functions including email, storage, backup, and data retrieval, creating and testing apps, analyzing data, audio and video streaming, delivering software on demand. Cloud computing is still a fairly new service but is being used by a number of different organizations, from big corporations to small businesses, non-profits to government agencies, and even individual consumers. When it comes to providing services, the big players in the corporate cloud computing sphere include Google Cloud, Amazon Web Services, AWS, Microsoft Azure, IBM Cloud, Alibaba Cloud. So what are your thoughts about cloud computing? Comment down below. Hope you liked this video.